Have a good day everyone. Today we will see how to do copy and move command with drawing coordinates in AutoCAD. Okay, let's see. First method, copy, CO, enter, select object, select base point, click here, type coordinate 2, 3, enter. Exit. Okay, let's see. Linear, point 2, x for 2, 3 for y. Okay, again copy, CO, enter, select object, base point, click, type from, enter, select base point. Okay, then type coordinates 3, 3, enter. Then type 2, 4, enter. Okay, let's see. Go linear, 3, okay, 3, okay, repeat linear, 4, okay, 2, okay. We will see second method. Okay, DS, enter, dynamic input tab, enable point input, click settings, Cartesian tick, absolute tick, click OK, click OK. Move M, enter, select object, click base point, type coordinate 0, 0, enter. Okay, now copy, CO, enter, select object, base point 3, 4, enter. Again 4, 5, enter. Okay, let's see. Exit, linear, 0, point 3, 4. Okay, let's see. Base point 0, 4, 5. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.